Here I have ULEFONE Power Armor 18 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you should turn it off by holding down power key. After device completely turns off, you should hold down power key plus volume up combination for a couple of seconds in order to proceed to some other secret menu. So let's get it. So in this menu, using volume up to navigate and volume down to select, you should select the first option, recovery mode. And after that, you will end up in recovery. So here at the recovery mode, you can navigate using volume keys. And select using power key. And you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory, reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.